Welcome to Dixie Tech. My name is Alfonso Gonzalez. This is where we're teaching the next generation of machining students. I'm going to do a walk around and show you a little bit about our lab and what we have here. So if you look here, our program consists of manual machining and CNC machining and some CAD. It's really essential for the students to learn manual machining before we get on the CNCs. We get a lot of materials, like approximately 1,800 pounds of donated material for our students from our local employers: brass, stainless steel, a lot of aluminum, titanium, Inconel, 14 simulators here. We teach the students how to write the G-Code program before we go out on the CNC machines, and they learn how to read and write the G-Code.
So what I see on this little piece of paper is there's different X and Z coordinates, and so that kind of tells the machine where to go and what to cut. So if you see, the P100 is the start point, and then the Q200 is the end point. And so on all that in between is the coordinates to the outline of the actual print drawing. So when you think about a lathe runs in a circular motion. And so when the spindle comes in, it's going to be spinning, so it's only going to cut technically one side, but it's going to cut both sides. To see my numbers and see exactly where they go is just really cool.
We have a lot of ways we can help students through the program with opportunities like financial aid, Pell Grants, scholarship opportunities. We have tons of local support from people and companies like Haas. We'd love to continue helping the next generation of machinists. So
to start your machining career, go to dixietech.edu to learn more about scholarships and your career opportunities.